Hi friends, this is the third and thankfully final video for this section. Um, I went ahead and wrote out the problem and I saw it and I just thought to myself, this is a real pain in the ass, really. So more than it is mathematical, it's just about staying organized. Okay, so I'll just tell you about my own process, and you can do it in different order, but I'll just share with you mine. First thing I see is I wrote down the whole problem, and I saw this to the 0 power, and I was like, thank God, that's gone. Anything to the 0 power is just 1, all right? So that takes out a whole bunch of the problem. Next thing I'm gonna do is just take care of these exponents that are outside of the parentheses. And the rule for that is I'm gonna multiply this exponent times this one, and this one, and this one, okay? And I'm gonna switch colors over here. I'm gonna do that here, here, and here. Now notice here I have a 2 and there is no exponent. There is an invisible 1 right there, okay? And I wanna be just very careful with that. And same thing is happening here. There's an invisible 1, and I'm just gonna multiply the exponents all the way across. All right, so I'm gonna keep this orange, keep this blue, and keep this red, and just kind of do the multiplication in my mind and rewrite everything down below, okay? There's my division bar there. All right, so the first one is in orange. That'll then be 2 to the power -1 times -2, it's positive 2. X to the 4th power, and y squared. And I'll keep all that in orange parentheses there, all right? And then the next one is in blue. That'll be 2 to the -2 power, right? 1 times -2 is -2. And x to the power 8, y to the power -6. And I hope I did this right. And then at the bottom, I'm gonna go red now. I'll have 2 squared, x to the -3, y to the -5. Okay. Oops, haha, I forgot to multiply by 2. See, already slipping. That's a -6, and that's a -10. There we go. Whew. I'm gonna review this now just to make freaking sure that I got it all right. 286, 143 times 2, good. 1, 2, 1, All right, all my exponents, I believe, are okay. Whew. So all that said, I actually can ignore these parentheses because it's all just multiplication. I like to look for shortcuts because I believe in shortcuts. Here I have 2 to the power 2. I have the same thing here. So those will just divide out to be equal to 1. So I could just get rid of those. Can I get rid of anything else? No, that's it. So everything else I have to keep. The only number I have left in the numerator is 2 to the -2 power, which is, well, I better write it out. Just 2 to the -2. My x's in the numerator, I have 12 of those. X to the 4th times x to the 8th power is 4 plus 8 on the exponents there. And here I'll have y to the -4. 2 combined with the -6 will give me the -4. And then in the denominator, x 6, y to the -10. And of course, I could just further clean it up. Let me switch colors so it's a little bit less confusing. 2 to the -2 is the same as 4 in the denominator, or 1/4. Okay. 12 minus -6 is positive 18. So I'll have, all right, here, x to the 18 in the numerator, and then -4 minus -10 will be y to the positive 6 power. Okay? Okay. I made that unnecessarily long yet again. I'll do this. All right. And that is the answer for number 113. And it's all about just addition, multiplication, subtraction, and of course, staying organized.